Hi, Good Friday, and it is Good Friday, April 19th, 2019. I haven't done my show here for my YouTube for a couple of days because I'm busy moving. What a hassle moving is. We love to sell and purchase real estate, but when you actually have to do the moving, it is really a pain in the butt. So, but we're almost to the tail end of that. We started on Tuesday. Let's see what's happening in the greater Las Vegas real estate market. Let's see. Days on the market. Get these things straightened out. Alright. Today, lowest priced condo on the market, $139,000, 1,000 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath on Tropicana. Okay. Downstairs unit, nice little patio there. Nice and clean, upgraded. Laminate floors. Looks like a good buy for somebody. Canyon Willow Tropicana. Alright. That little guy is right there, right off of the 515 in Whitney. Okay. Let's go to the next one here. Okay, highest price today on Quail, 2.6 million, 6,155 square feet, 10 bedrooms, 6 baths, pool and a spa, built in 81. Wow, look at that. My gosh. Sandy beach. That is something else. Wow, look at all that driveway. Outside bar. Nice drone shots, a lot of pool area there. Wow. Quite a place. Putting green. That was just the outside. Maybe that is. Massive. Another wet bar. Big master suite. It's quite a house. Man, it's gotta be on a huge lot too. Wow. Guest house, circular driveway, master bedroom. This whole wing. Living room, sandy beach, game house. Wow. Gourmet kitchen. I didn't even see a kitchen in there. That is something else. A little over an acre. Russell and Sandhill. Yep. Good area there. Older area. Nice house. Okay. Then we have a condo, 1 bedroom, 2 bath, 53,000. What a transition from 2.6 million to 53,000. Built in 63. Wow, pretty old. Twain and Swenson, up near the airport. Okay. $1.8 million. 5,100 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 6 baths, 3-car garage, 2 Swimming pool and a spa. Oh, it's a newer house. Contemporary style. Okay. Wow. Interesting. That flooring. It's like hardwood. Pool. Outdoor living area. Putting green. Interesting. Where is it? Buffalo and Sahara. Okay. Well, that's about as far back as we're going to go. There's a lot of other stuff that's happened this week, but we're not going to go spend all that time. We have 692 properties in escrow. Let's see what we got here. Actual close date today. A little condo on Craig, 99,1181 square feet. Looks like a pretty good buy. Craig and Nellis, okay. By the Air Force Base. Okay, 19, here we go. 875,000, wow, for 2,300 square foot condo. What the heck is this? Wow, interesting. Two-car garage, spotless. Okay, up there, Summerlin area. Okay, 75. That's interesting. Okay, yesterday, a condo on Pirates Cove, 95,000. Upstairs unit, pool, spa, tennis courts. Yep. That's right off of the 95. Right there. Actually, the Summerlin Parkway and 95 split. Good deal. It's the 18th. It's the 18th. The 18th. Okay, between yesterday and today, 131. Okay, 830,000. Nice house. 3-car garage, pool, spa. Nice backyard, covered patios. Nice kitchen. Nice house altogether. Alright. And that one is on Democracy. Okay. Anthem Highlands. Alright, and then one more thing here that I want to search out. The last 7 days, we'll see how many pool homes suddenly went into escrow. $202. Priced anywhere. Let's get into single family over here. 201. Okay. From 204,000 up to 2.249 million. That's an interesting statistic. Let's see how many went on the market in the last 7 days. 233, almost identical. Priced from 234 up to 4.3 million. Okay, well that's about it. Hope to talk to you again on Monday. You have a great weekend, and Happy Easter, and have a good Friday. Bye-bye.